Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can find Wish promo code. So follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to this website called Coupon Follow. Now once you search for Coupon Follow, the first option, click on it and it's going to take you to couponfollow.com, which is its official website. Once you're in this web page, at the top where it says search, click on it and then search for Wish. Once you write Wish, it's going to show you wish.com. You want to click on it. Once you do that, all the promo code available for wish.com is going to be shown over here. So from all of this, scan the code you want, and let's say I want to use this 10% off one. I can click on show coupon code and it's going to show me this code. Now I can copy it, and during the checkout time in wish.com, I can use this coupon code to get 10% off from my site, which means on wish.com I'll get 10% off. So yeah, that's how you guys can find promo code for wish.com. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.